STEM Communication, Junior Maths Olympiad 003. We are looking at the third part of our lesson, our expository on permutation, combination, and probability. Part 3. We have looked at part 1, part 2. It's important you start from that part 1, then to 2, then you can come down to part 3. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand the trend of the expository. So we have 7 questions for us to address. Every question in Olympiad is unique. It is for smart students. Olympiad is for smart students, so every question is unique. That is where I try to look at the varieties. So that if they should, how they set the question, then you should be able to find your way how to solve the problem. So number 1, let's start from here. Let me just, this is our question number 7 here. Please, cameraman, put it properly. Now, if you look at this question number 1, if 8 permutation x divided by 8 permutation x is equal to 6, find the value of x. It is not possible because this one is exactly the same thing. 8 permutation x, that is 1. And so once this cancels, x does not exist again. So the answer is none. So don't let us waste time on that. Now, number 2. The result of simplifying n combination 2 is dash. Let me put this dash. So the result of simplifying n combination 2. You remember I told you that please bring this n combination 2 means n factorial over n minus 2 factorial then times this 2 factorial. That's the meaning. Now, let's interpret it. Now, you'll be looking at the option. Look at the option very well. So, come here. Now, let's see this. N factorial means n times n minus 1. It keeps reducing. Times n minus 2. It keeps reducing. You can't just continue, so just put dot, dot, dot. Divided by this one. Okay, let me just do one more. Times n minus 3. Times dot, dot, dot. It keeps on reducing that way. Now, n minus 2 factorial means n minus 2. You start with that n minus 2 times, it keeps on reducing by 1. That will be n minus 3. Then, now, if you look at the upper one, you could have had n minus 4 and so on. The same thing here. So you just put dot, dot, dot. You don't need to disturb yourself. Once you get to the one, a similar term at the numerator and denominator, just stop there. Then 2 factorial is 2 times 1. The reason is that from this one, it will be easy for you to cancel this, to cancel it, to cancel this, and to cancel all the dots. So what do you have left? We have n into n minus 1 divided by 2 times 1, 2. So the answer is this. The answer is that. What do you call it? A. Now, so please, that is that. Now let's look at this. Question number 3. A bag contains 2 green and 3 red hearts. In how many ways can 3 hearts be chosen if at least 1 heart must be given? Please underline the word at least. The use of at least and at most. When you use the word at least, it means minimum, so it keeps on increasing. When you use the word at most, it means from that particular one, it keeps on reducing. Take note of that. Now, this question now, a bag contains, this is combination, choosing, select, pick. A bag contains 2 green, we have 2 green, and 3 red, plus 3 red. Those are the. And out of this, we just need 3 hearts. Okay? Okay, we need to pick 3 hearts. You see the analysis? From the total of 5, we need to pick 3. So 2 green, 3 red. Now, there's a condition. This is a conditional permutation combination. They said at least 1 heart must be green. And we have a total heart of what? 2. So let's see. Now, this is equal to, don't forget at least. The use of the word at least. It means at least we have one heart, comma, 2 hearts, 3 hearts, but there's no 3 hearts here because we have a maximum of 2 green. So that are green. Okay? So out of the first two green, one is possible. Two combination one times. So out of the red, if you pick one, it means the remaining two will come from red. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay? Or means plus. I can pick two green, two combination, two green, two out of two greens times. It means I need one more red to make it 3. So you pick one from, that will be 3 combination 1. Okay? Now, that will be the end. I will have said, oh, maybe there is more. Let's say we have 3 greens. I will have picked or again, 3 green and no red to make up 3. But there's no, the maximum green we have is 2, so we'll stop there. So this is 2 factorial over 2 minus 1, that's 1 factorial, times this 1 factorial, times this dot means times, this is 3 factorial over 3 minus 2, that's 1 factorial, times this 2 factorial. Plus, or means plus. Then this is 2 factorial, 2 minus 2, that is 0 factorial, which is 1, times this 2 factorial, times 3 factorial. 3 minus 1, that's 2 factorial, then times this 1 factorial. So, complete this and pick one of the answer for that interpretation. Okay, now I want to clean this one that we have done so that I can have space. I want to clean this, I want to clean all. What if in question 3, at most 2 red hearts must be chosen? Now don't forget that number 4, we have 2 green plus 3 red, and we have to pick 3 hearts. Now they gave us a condition, at most 2 red must be picked. That means at most means from that, at most means maximum you can pick of red is 2. So you go down. You can pick 2, you can pick 1. Let's see whether you can pick 0. Let's see. Okay. Now 2 red. That means I can pick 2 red. I can pick 1 red, and I can pick 0 red. That's the meaning. Okay, now let's see. We need to pick 3 hearts altogether. So the first is, let's start with the red, because that is the central point. So underline the word at most. So at most, out of 3 red, 3 combination, I can pick 2. Then the other one will be from green, 2 combination 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Or I can pick 1 red, so 3 combination 1, okay, 3 combination 1 times, that means I will pick 2 green to make it 2 combination 2 to make it 3. Then I can pick 0. Now let's see. Or if I pick 0 red, let's say that it exists. 3 combination 0, 3, 0 red. Then I need 3 green to make it 3, because it must be 3, 0 plus 3. But unfortunately, we have total of 2 green. I need to have, look up, I need to have 2 combination 3. It can't be lower. This one cannot be more than this. This cannot be more than this. So, and there is no 3 green. So we don't have value for this. So this is impossible. It is only possible if we have more than 2 green. Then it will be 3 combination 3. 0 plus 3, 3. Is that clear? So the answer is impossible. Because the number of greens is not enough to make up. So you can't solve it. It's impossible. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. So the answer is impossible there. Let me clean this. Let me clean this. Even clean this. Please come closer. And this. Now, so this is impossible. So you understand that. Bye. Now, in how many ways can a committee of 3 be chosen from 5 men and 4 women? Okay, we have 5 men and we have 4 women. They want to choose three people to make up a committee. Okay, if there must be at least one man in the committee, condition at least one man, meaning that the minimum we can have is one man. So that means I can have one man, I can have 2 men, I can have 3 men. Of course, I cannot have more than 3 men because the total to be picked is what? 4. Even though, you see, there's a restriction. The total we want to pick for the committee is 3. So I can pick 1 man, 2 men, 3 men. Now, let's see now. So let's start. 3 people. Let's start from the reference, the men. Let's start from men. So 5 combination 1 times, from women now, it will be 4 combination 2. 1 plus 2, it will be 3 altogether. Or I can pick 2 men, out of 5. 5 combination 2 times, then I need to have one more person to make it 3. And that has to be for women. That is out of 4 women, I can pick 1. Or I can still pick 3 men. So 5 out of 5 combination 3. Dot. In this case, out of the 4 women, I cannot pick anybody again because it must not be more than 3. 3 plus 0, 3. So all means plus. That is the interpretation. So this will be 5 factorial. 5 minus 1, that is 4 factorial times 1 factorial. Dot 4 combination 2, that was 4 factorial. 4 minus 2, that was 2 factorial, 2 factorial. You simplify that, you already know what to do with that. Plus 5 factorial. 5 minus 2, that's 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Dot, this is 4 factorial. 4 minus 1, that is 3 factorial times 1 factorial. You do it together. Plus 5 combination 3, that is 5 factorial over 5 minus 3, 2. That will be 2 factorial, then times this 3 factorial. Times, this is 4 factorial. Okay? 4 minus 0, that is 4 factorial. Then 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. Do it and see whether you get your answer there. Question number 6. In how many ways can 4 gifts be chosen from 7? Chosen means to select. You want to select 7 gifts from 7. That's straightforward. That is simply 7 combination 4. You are picking 4 out of 7. So 7 combination 4. That will be 7 factorial over 7 minus 4. That is 3 factorial times 4 factorial. So you simplify this to see whether you get your answer there. Finally, the last question is this number 7. So let me clear this Olympiad section, at least for now. So subsequently, you may still have some questions to practice with for now. Now, question number 7. The result of simplifying n plus 1 combination n minus 1 is, is that. The result, not to simplify this. So use the concept of simplifying combination. This is n plus 1 factorial, that's the meaning, divided by, now you subtract this from this. So you have n plus 1 in brackets minus this in bracket also minus 1 factorial. Then times this one, n minus 1 factorial. Remember? That's the process. Now, so let's simplify it now. N plus 1 factorial. It means n plus 1 times, it keep on reducing, minus this, that will be n, minus that will be n minus 1 times n minus 2. It continues reducing, divided by, now this one, look at this one, let's simplify this. Open the bracket, that will be n minus 1, n cancel, minus times minus 1, that's plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, so this is 2 factorial. The whole of this give us 2 factorial, okay? Then times, let's simplify n minus 1, okay? That will be, you start with n minus 1, it keep on reducing by 1, times n minus 2, times, then now you look at the upper one, the highest n minus 2, you know it keep on reducing. This one have n minus 3, but I choose not to keep on repeating myself. So this one also, after n minus 1, n minus 2, that should be n minus 3. So since I've already gotten to level where this one and this are the same, just stop there. Just put times dot 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 dot. So this cancel this cancel this. So we have this times this, that's n into n plus 1 over 2 factorial means 2 times 1. So this is n into n plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So our answer is n into n plus 1, which can also be written as n squared plus n over 2, which can also be written as half into n squared plus n, because it depends on the examiner. But for this, see the way they write it here. B, option B is the correct answer. Please bring it here. N into n plus 1 over 2. They can open the bracket to this or this. It depends. So thank you very much. We'll move to our next video very soon on a different topic. I will let you know the topic we'll be going to 004, and the topic will be indicated. We'll remove this. Okay? Thank you. See you in my next video.